are up at sunrise, and if you know us, you know this is quite a feat already. We're gonna go tour the Medina, which is the old city, the old center of Marrakech. And it's beautiful this time of day. You can really see the mountains in the distance.
We have 15 minutes to get across town. It's a 10-minute ride, but a 10-minute walk to the taxi stand. And we have 15 minutes to get over there for the beginning of a walking tour, see what the Medina is all about.
I need to refresh a lot of this information, but Marrakech is a big tourist destination, even for Moroccans. We're in the old Medina part. We've kind of just gone over the fact that in Morocco it started out as like a nomadic Berber peoples, and then Islam came in at like 1000 AD or something, and it gradually switched over. That's kind of what I gleaned from there. But this is the palm tree city, and you definitely see a lot of palm trees and storks. You see storks all over the place, which don't seem like a city bird. It doesn't seem like something that should.
What about the languages?
I think they're waiting for us. Berber and Arabic are the two official languages of Morocco, but the Moroccan dialect of Arabic differs largely from the classical and standard Arabic. It seems that the standard Arabic would be used in certain administrative offices and schools, and the Moroccan Arabic would be used at home. The Berber language is also widely spoken, but there are many different dialects of that as well. Just to make this a little more complex, French is also fairly common in Morocco. It's not an official language, but our guide told us certain subjects in school are often taught in French.
We have the big section. The big section we open it when we have guests, or when we have like an occasion, a family occasion, maybe a wedding, or something, or guests come to the house. So as a welcoming message to the people, we can open all the door. We have this piece. This is for knocking. This is for knocking, and we have the metal pieces. The metal pieces used to give more strength to the door, and as well to make it more beautiful. Such door we can see it still in many houses. Such door, yeah.
The souks of Marrakech are vast and winding. If you need to buy some dates, spices, souvenirs, or just about anything else you can imagine, you can find it here. We ended our tour of Marrakech's main square, which was the liveliest place we had visited throughout our tour.
So we are leaving Marrakech. We just walked around the Medina, got a very brief overview of everything that's here. It's really awesome, really lively, really colorful. There used to be a large Jewish population here, but they've pretty much all migrated to Israel. I think he said there's only like 2,000 Jews here now, but there's still a lot of synagogues remaining. We couldn't go into the synagogue today just because it's Saturday and there's services being held. But we're about to go back, pack up, hop on the train, and head to Casablanca.
We weren't sure what to expect from a Moroccan train experience, but as it turned out, the Marrakech train station was very modern and easy to navigate. Does it say which?
Well, 12. We're 12 and number 32. It's not them.
So what's
number 6.
The train itself was affordable, clean, and comfortable. So comfortable that we actually fell asleep for a while. When we woke up, our 6-person cabin was full of people in friendly conversation. We ended up having a terrific chat with all our new friends. This actually became one of our favorite experiences in Morocco.
Sorry this is on the phone, but we did not expect this to happen. We arrived at the Riyadh. We've been in the Sahara Desert for 4 days. We haven't showered in 4 days. It is bad. We asked the Riyadh guy, like, do you have somewhere casual that we can go for dinner? We're thinking like a slice of pizza or like a tagine at like a local spot. It's like, I know just the place. And we've ended up in like the fanciest place ever. There's like tablecloths and like all this china. These plates are from, see how nice it is? These are made in Fez. The silverware, and when I say silverware, I mean this is like real silver, was made here in Marrakech. Look at the detailing. Look at this. And the wine is from Casablanca.
It's a very Moroccan meal.
Yep.
Very nice.
And this is like a set menu. So like they only have a 3-course option, including wines and aperitifs. And we're just trying to like blend in right now. It's very nice though. But this just came out as our first course, I think. Course number 2.